I get this question multiple times a day, every single day. Why isn't my internet business profitable? So first off, you want to know your numbers. You want to have a proven formula to follow. We're gonna get on a boat today. I rented a boat just to have some fun. First, let's go to my office and I'm gonna go over some of the numbers you wanna know for your internet business to make it pop. The most important metric to understand is your cost per click, okay? So we abbreviate that by CPC. Now your cost per click can be if you're shooting YouTube videos or if you're blogging or Instagramming or whatever, you know, through organic methods, that can just be the cost of your time. So you have to factor in that your own time is money and you have to measure what the results are. And all cost per click is it's your cost divided by the number of clicks you receive. Now the second most important number is your earnings per click, okay? So that's abbreviated by EPC. And earnings per click is how much money you make, you know, so your revenues over your clicks. And the goal is to have this number be greater than this number. I'm gonna actually head over to the marina and we're gonna go over the next biggest mistake I see people making of why they aren't profitable, which is having a proven formula to follow. So the second big thing you want to know to make sure your internet business is profitable is you must have a formula to follow, a proven formula to follow. Now what I teach for affiliate marketing is ad to get the people, is a pre-sale page, your web page to get people agitated about their problem enough to buy, and the third step is an affiliate product or offer. Follow a proven system and it will greatly increase your chances of success, and don't vary from it. We just got finished going sailing. I learned how to bit of the tacking and all this stuff with the jib lines and the ropes and all this crazy stuff. It was pretty cool. We're actually standing right out in front of, check this out, Larry Ellison's boat. This boat is worth $65 million.
$65 million.
Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're starting to travel a little bit. I don't know if you guys have seen some of the recent vlogs. We're going places. We're doing lots of fun stuff. As always, like this video if you guys got some sort of special information from this, and leave a message in the comments of where you would like to see me do a vlog from next. If there's a certain place in the world where you would like to see me do a vlog from, leave it in the comments. I'd love to know where you guys would like to see me next. And as always, let me know if there's certain material or video subjects that you would like me to address to help you create your successful, profitable internet business that fuels your freedom. Subscribe links should be around. Subscribe to see the next videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon.